These are device down, device up, availability okay, virtual memory utilizations, virtual memory utilization okay. So these are all individual troubleshooting skill set. Okay, along with this training, you need to complete this document. Also, you see this day-to-day work, server daily, weekly, monthly checklist. What are the things you are going to check it, right? And active directory and guidelines, operational procedure, what are the day-to-day activity. After reading this document, you can confidently answer this kind of task I'm going to handle, this kind of the responsibilities I'm going to managing this team, right? You see the delegated permission, organization need, creating group policy, backup group policy, restore existing group policy, previous versions, troubleshooting skills. See this, these are all important. If that FSMS service down, FSMS service up, global catalog down, replication failed, and it would be prepared with the step. If that issue is occurred, what would be the solution? The application failed, it is a high priority and is active directory sites, and where you need to, which tool you are going to use it, and what are steps you're going to follow with this. Active directory applications require, see this, these are the rep admin space, file cache command, rep admin sphere, the step one, step two, right? And you would be able to explain during the interview confidently and how you troubleshoot it, and you can tell them this kind of troubleshoot we are doing like that, right? Now see the KCC failure. What is KCC? How it's failed? A knowledge consistency checker, right? You see, and what are steps you want taken? What, where you went, and how do you change the register setting? Once you understood the concept, you have to have that is do the lab for 2 to 3 to 4 times. Then this document will help you to make you the interview preparation. You will feel that is in you are the best administrator. During the interview, you cannot say that I don't have experience and I never did it. But you should not tell that anything into during the interview. You tell them last 6 months I'm working on that is in server infrastructure, and I'm handling for these kind of the task and responsibilities. And if you ask the interview what kind of issues you resolved recently, what kind of task you handled recently, you can prepare yourself for the 10 or 15 cases and confidently answer the questions. Then when it come to the technical questions, I'm sure you would be able to answer all the questions, how the FSMO works, how that server performances works, or how to create a group policies, how the replication is happening, how to create a domain active directory trust relationship. Everything you would be able to handle and you can able to answer it, right? This is the intention, and this is a motto for you to bring into that is in actual what you're going to do that. And many things are there in upcoming days. I'm going to share you that all that skill set and knowledge whatever I have it. And the end result is you would need for effort. Your strategy effort is most important. So it would be basically the preparation, how it would be: you are taking the training and you are practicing, plus practicing, right? And your interview preparation, interview preparation, and then prepare your resume, and then you can start giving interview. You would be able to guarantee to be selected, which is server administrator role, right? And who are working already in server administrator, you would be the next position, senior system administrator or lead system administrator, all it is. And with a proper skill set, when you join, when you selected, you would be having for at least two or three offer letter. That confident you should get it, right? And the package is also be, which is package means it's a salary, right? Salary also it will be getting updated. And you work hard there and put your effort again, work on 2 or 3 years of experience, keep upskilling. As I said, you have to have the knowledge on PowerShell, you have to have knowledge on cloud, and keep on updating your resume, your biodata. And then you will be the next position again. Your ultimately, the more experience, the more you are having experience, and you would be getting the skill set, and the package would be get changes. This is the goal, this is ultimately okay, must change. The end result is the same, right? This is the one, whatever you're going to learning, and you should get it back, correct? Because you're spending time for this training, spending the money for this training, and you are spending your time for the practicing interview preparations. Then you prepare your resume. This is all the roadmap, guys, you have to do. Otherwise, if you're not following one of the options in this, then it will not going to the right manner. Okay, so updating with this all the details, all the best your career point of view and the study point of view. Then let's begin with what we are going to talk about, our actual syllabus. Okay, actual our topic. Good to go? Anyone has any question?
Yes, Ji.
Please sir.
Actually, in this course, shall we know about the SCCM
No,
patching? Okay, that is a separate.
we would talk about WSS patching activity.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so we already spoke about in the last class what a topic we are going to cover up. I'll just go back and again I'm just revalidating here. We'll be talking about, this course name is Windows Server Administrator, which is we will be talking about 2022. So more on lab oriented, and more we'll be talking about an active directory and group policy infrastructure. We would be discussing multi-forest environment, entire active directory, which would be talking about single forest, single domain, single site. First we will be talking about these, and little more in advanced level we would be completely going to talk about L4 level and architecture level, how you need to create a multi-forest. Would be talking about entire applications, activity trust, authentication, domain trust. So overall, my infrastructure is multiple forest, multiple domain, multiple sites, and how this is entire multiple forest managing, supporting for single person. That confident I can give you. And when you have the design and designing of this infrastructure like this, right? Your entire IT infrastructure, how it would be? It would be your a boundary, right? This is my forest, this is my forest, and this is my domain, and this is my another domain, which is bigger environment. And in this infrastructure I have, that is in one site, I have another site, I have another site in the domain, another site. How the infrastructure is going to be deployment, this would be. So think about is my neil.edu is a forest, this is also is my neil.edu is a domain, and I have the two domain controller here, two domain controller. Okay, and I have another domain controller here, and one